are going to want these 3 products. As a makeup artist with over 25 years experience, if you want glowy, radiant, dewy, smooth skin, then you are going to want these 3 products. Step 1 is achieving the glow, and we do that by using Cosmic Glow. It has incredible peptides infused in this formula that not only treat your skin over time, but it instantly creates a glow too. Let me show you. Pop a little on the back of your hand. Take a little, oh, look at that, and pop it along the tops of your cheekbones. Wow, it's making my cheekbones look higher. But it doesn't just stop there. I'm gonna take a little bit more, just tap down the center of your nose here. Gives you just a look of a more streamlined little nose. On the top of your cupid's bow here, I like to put a little underneath my brow bone to give my brow bone some height. Take my pinky finger and just dab onto my eyelids. It's going to enhance my natural eye colour, especially if you don't have time for any eyeshadow. This creates your glow and your radiance. This creates the dewy skin effect. Give this a little shake, hold it 30 centimeters away from your face and spritz. Watch this. Oh, it smells amazing. I've now got glowy, radiant, dewy skin. When you pair this with this, you get pure skin magic. So the final product is this. This is from an Italian black truffle farm. It's infused with black truffle. This is a micro exfoliating face treatment. This transforms your skin to the smoothest, softest, most beautiful skin you could ever wish for. Because this sloughs off the dead skin cells and allows fresh, new baby soft skin cells to come to the surface, which helps your skincare penetrate deeper. Now, when skin is fresh and new, it looks glowy, it looks smoother, and that smoothness helps light bounce off your face and in turn your skin look more glowy and radiant. It's so easy to use. After cleansing, massage this into your face and your neck, rinse that off, pat your skin dry, and then you're gonna look at the difference it's made. You will never want to be without this in your skincare kit. If you want these before they sell out, I've created a special bundle for you with a special bundle price today. I hope you love the results as much as I do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.